How to import CSV in your Koinly. So first of all, just go ahead and log into your account. And once you do that, you should just find this kind of section where it asks you to add your wallet. So choose whichever you want. It should just be the same process to whichever wallet you're going to input. In our case, we're just going to go ahead and choose Binance. Now you can go ahead and choose the setup out of sync, which is recommended, but you could always import from file. You could do this later on if you want by pressing create without data, but just go ahead and press this option, which is to import from file, and it's just going to lead you to something like this. Now you can drag and drop your files over here, or you can press on browse, which would just bring you to your file manager. Then you're going to navigate to your CSV file and then just open that up, or you could upload from your Google Drive if your CSV is available there. But in our case, we're just going to go ahead and drag and drop. Just go ahead and do that, and it should just do the process itself. You can choose your time zone if you'd like, but in our case, we're not going to do that. There's a few other options over here like advanced settings and tags, but we're just going to go ahead and press on import. And once that's done, it's just going to show something this, which is import complete. You take a look at more options if it is available and if it pops out, but that's pretty much how you import CSV files into your Koinly. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.